Hey guys, Crazy Pyro 88 here. I have another unboxing for you tonight. Anyways, this is another one of them sets that I seen. I've looked around and I've noticed that there's not that many videos on them, and the ones I did find were kind of grainy. Anyways, I hope this serves you well. And with further ado, let's dig into it and see what's all it's about. This one is called American Soul Firework Assortment by Magnus Fireworks. There's the QR code in case you guys want to check that out. Anyways, let's open her up and see what's up. So, trusty box cutter out. Right off the bat. So far, this is the view. The American Soul Assortment by Magnus Fireworks. Alright, we got 200-gram cake, Commando Jack. There's Commando Jack, 16 shots. It's by the Mag Value Company, which I believe this is their lower end fireworks. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure it's a remake of something. Anyways, like I was telling you, this set is primarily all aerials. There is no fountain in here, I don't believe. You get another Commando Jack. You get the Street Fight, once again by Mag Value. I don't really see too many effects listed on these. So, that is Street Fight. We have a Sky Gambler. They got some weight to them, I'll give them that. Hopefully they're pretty cool. 16 shots on that one. It kind of feels the same as the Street Fight. Next up, Cold Radiator. I believe this is nothing more than a news transmitter. Yeah, it's just little missile batteries around it. Middle's all hollow. That one's Cold Radiator. We have a little guy right here. Empire State Fountain. That may be the only fountain in this whole set. I'm not 100% sure. I'm new to this set just like everybody else. Empire State Fountain. Small little fountain. We have another 200-gram cake right here. There's a QR code if you're looking for effects. It's a Riverboat Casino, 12 shots. We have a Desert Strike. I believe this is nothing more than a Desert Night, just with a different label on it. It looks just like it. 7 shots. You got 2 Shock Attacks. 9 shots. Everybody knows what this is. Twitter Glitter. That's your Twitter glitter for you. Everybody's favorite little toy, Saturn Missile Battery. So this one is called a Crazy Missile Battery, 25 shots. I don't know if there's a difference between a Crazy and a Saturn, but sounds cooler. Probably still the same annoying cake. We have Apple Jacks, 16 shots. There's a QR code in case you guys want it. To see the effects. Supposed to be 200-gram cake, but I doubt it. It's more likely probably a comet cake. I mean, I'll find out for you guys and see if I can get a special video for it. Or you just check this QR code out. I'm sure you can find it. We got another Apple Jacks. Yeah, I'm willing to believe that these are Happies. This is 36 shot. Nothing more than Happies. Just a rewrap. I could just tell by this one right here. Once you see one of these, they're all pretty much similar. But a Mag Value brand. Alright, next up, we got Mag Festival Balls. By Mag Value. Let you guys know if they're real or if they're fake. Get 6 of these. These are fake ball shells. They got some squeeze to them. So, that is called the Mag Festival Balls. I'm hoping these ones aren't fake. These are premium artillery. 6 big colorful breaks. I wonder if these ones are actually real. Here's some effects listed on the side. I doubt they're. I'm doubting these are anything but those effects. Those are like some commercial stuff. I'll be really surprised if they're anything even similar. These ones are real ball shells. So, further ado, that you guys have it. I was honestly thinking this set was actually bigger. Be honest. I mean, they give you 2 Commando Jacks, Sky Gambler, a Street Fight, a News Transmitter, a Fountain, give you a little 200-gram cake, Desert, Shock Attack, a little Happy Thing, Shock Attack, again. They give you 2 Happies of different sizes, a missile battery, some Mag Festival balls, some premium artillery. Honestly, for the size of this box, I really thought there was a lot more in this, but I believe it's only like maybe 10 or 15 pieces max. I don't know. I was really wanting to get this set. Both times I went to go get it was completely sold out, and I couldn't get my hands on it. It is a popular set. I just don't ever see videos on it, so I wanted to bring you guys one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of it in the comments and if it was really worth it. I mean, they're not badly priced. This set probably around 70 bucks. That's probably what I got into it. Anyways, that's the American Soul by Magnus Fireworks. And I believe Mag Value is their lower end quality, just kind of like their lower tier products. In this case, looks like it was pretty much, it's just put together of the random stuff and some rewraps. Anyways, like I always be saying, that it's got some really nice artwork on it. I mean, some people may be into collecting this stuff. I know I collect certain cakes that I don't see too much. I put it in the collection. Some of this stuff's pretty cool looking on here. The artwork, they really put a lot of time in this. I really like the box. It's a real eye catcher. But that is the American Soul Firework Assortment by Magnus Fireworks. And once again, there's the QR code if you're looking for it. If you guys like what you've seen, let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Always, it helps the channel. It helps YouTube. It helps me out. Anyways, I will catch you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the American Soul Firework Assortment by Magnus Fireworks. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.